Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true.
Gang, what's happening? So, I'm in the gym, bro. Finna get this work done. And, I just got a notification to my phone that, the new 11s drop in 2 minutes, bro. So I gotta get them. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that or not, bro. I gotta get them, though, gang. Yeah, so we got, hey, we got 2 minutes. Before the shoes drop. She got to sign in, cuz she gonna miss them. Anyway, I don't even think Quona want them though. I think she just want them for me. Yeah, I'm already in there. I think she just really want them for me. But yeah, so that's why she trying to make sure she logged in too, so I don't want to miss her. Like, I got a question, like, do people still like be in line and stuff for Jordans and stuff? You know what I mean? I thought, like, I don't know, because I ain't did this in so long. You ready for the code? Alright. Gang, this intense, gang. This intense, bro. And y'all probably think like, come on, bro, you grown, bro. But really, like, the 11 is like my favorite. The 8s used to be my favorite, bro. But every year, Quona was giving me the 11, so then I looked at them and I was like, man, these kind of look dope. They look better than the 8, so yeah, we're gonna rock out with the 11 though.
So my favorite has become your favorite?
Yeah, that's your favorite.
Well, they used to be my favorite. They ain't my favorite no more. They my favorite Jordan, but they not my favorite shoe, if that makes sense.
All right, gang. Countdown begins, bro. Come on, bro. Please do not close the app. Y'all see what it's saying? One moment. Okay. Okay. 10. Damn. Okay. Well, we did good.
I think the site's crashing.
It's crashing.
So many people.
The fuck?
Yeah. On mine, that's what it is.
Bro, what? This like men, what it is?
10.
But look though. Men 8.5. Why? What the fuck that mean?
Women 10. So get men 10.
What that is?
Men 10. Right here.
Right here, 11.5?
No, men. Yeah.
Oh, this must be a woman shoe.
No, it's unisex.
Oh, okay.
It says no longer available.
Come on, bro.
Some items are no longer available and will be removed from your cart. You see it?
Yeah. Bro, people trying to get them like that.
What they saying, babe? You don't mind?
Removing bots, verifying submission, checking availability.
Are they checking to see if they're
Come
available?
on, bro. Yeah, you're in line.
You must have got in line before me then.
Yeah, probably. Man, if I don't get these shoes, I ain't vlogging no more for the rest of the year.
You ain't vlogging no more?
2025, vlogging, we done. Vlogging was over with. Cause I didn't get to get them last time, gang. Well, we got them, but I gave them to my little brother cause he was fresh out of jail, and I just gave them to him. Anyway, hey, we gonna see, man. But it's crazy, bro. Y'all gotta stop being this childish, man. Everybody don't want these shit. I know people probably get them for their kids and stuff like that. Yeah.
So it let me pay for them, but now it's saying we're checking availability. Did it let you pay for them?
Yeah.
Also, we paid for them twice.
Right.
I didn't know that. Alright, so I don't know, we gotta see. Because before they said they didn't have them, but then I went back in and they only had your size, a size 9.5, and a size 11 available. All the rest of them was sold out. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe somebody pay me and then go through.
Probably so. But I mean, we're gonna have 2 teams if both of us go through.
We can sell it.
People still going crazy over Jordan like that?
I guess so, yeah. People go to the store to get them. What are the, when did the cool grades that I bought you last year or the year before last? You remember that? The cool grade 11?
I don't remember what year.
Okay, so when I went to get them, because I got those from the store, I had to pay extra for them too. And they wrong for that, because they weren't supposed to do that. But anyway, there were grown men in line for them. I didn't have to stand in line because I paid extra, you know what I mean?
That's perfect.
So they weren't willing to pay extra. They wanted to pay like what the store was charging for them. I was like, nah, I'm gonna give you a little extra, let me get those. But she gave them to me too.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it was a lot of people in line. They camped out for those shoes still, like we did in high school. That's weird.
That's crazy, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, man, I understand people doing it for their kids, but for a grown man, you doing it for yourself and you camping out, bro. You a goofy, you bogus, man, don't do that. That ain't peak, feel me? Anyway, man, let's get back to work though. So we finna move on to the next exercise, man. This ain't no gym vlog though. We just vlogging, man. This is Vlogmas day 14, you dig? But hey, so check it, right? This old guy, right? He walked up to these 2 young chicks. They look like they teenagers too. They super young. And all my old niggas, y'all get in the comments, is this just the new way to approach like women? I don't know. He walked up to her like, hey, can I tell you something? You look just like my niece, baby. Let me show you my niece. Let me see if it works. I'm finna do Quona like that. I'm finna act like a old nigga. Hold on. I'm gonna do it like that.
That smell like vinegar. They not like it. You think the pop disrespect pop nigga? I think that Oakland struck a billion last time.
Hold on, baby. I'm talking to you.
Huh?
You know what, baby? You look just like my niece, baby.
But you said you like Dion.
You look just like my niece.
I look just like your niece.
You wanna see my niece, baby? You look just like my niece. That what the old dudes that walk up to the younger and shit. You hear?
Why you lying?
I swear. I guess that's the game now.
But why you making it sound like Deion Sanders?
I mean,
Wait, hold on.
he might just be old.
Do it again.
The older he walked over to that girl, she probably like 17 at the most. He was like, hey baby, look at her, baby. You look just like my niece, baby. You ever met my niece? Let me show you my niece. Y'all look just alike, baby.
Why you stupid?
That's how the old guys spin game now.
Oh man, that's funny.
That girl was like, oh really? Then when he walked out, she looked at her homegirl. She was like, that's just spin game, bro.
Alright, y'all. You said what?
He was just spin game. Hey, shout out to the old guy, man. Hey, he probably be newly divorced. You know what I'm saying? He was just trying to see, did he still have it?
But that ain't game, y'all. That ain't how you get us. That ain't gonna work. But anyway, y'all, I feel accomplished. We only been in here, what, 36 minutes? No, 40 minutes. 41 minutes. And I feel like I'm done, but done ain't done. I'm ready to go home. Hey, what we doing next? I'm ready to go. My boy stay finding something. Very much something. What that girl said, y'all stay finding something, very much something to work on. You know who said that?
No, what's that?
Carisha. You're Miami. But she was talking about how people talk.
I know who Carisha is.
I'm about to say now, everybody know Carisha.
Baby, you want some Jordans, baby? is that game for old guys? You want some Jordans?
I don't know, for young girls maybe, because they probably want some Jordans.
I do old guys. You know what? I got a couple old partners. I bet they just come out and say this. How much it cost, baby? How much it cost? Alright, gang, so man, they fell through, folks.
Hey, my boy got them.
Yeah, I got them. Now I'm not gonna put this on social media. I'm too grown for that.
Well, let me see if I got them.
I do see grown folks saying that.
Mine say,
You'll still pay.
mine say, we're checking availability. We'll let you know if we can complete your order.
Probably do.
Alright, I don't care if mine don't go through. Did you get me some?
Shit, no, you already got some.
Oh, you ain't got no gun. You supposed to get your wife some too. I just like, I don't want them.
You already got them. What you mean? You don't even wear your J's. They look brand new. I bet you ain't know where they at. I bet you can't
I
find
don't
them.
have my shoes on.
Where they at? Where they at?
In my closet. My closet is organized.
When we get home, I want you to go in your closet and I want you to pull them out.
I will.
And if you do, I'm gonna give you $100. And you do whatever you want to do with it.
Duh, I can do whatever I want, but 100 ain't even enough.
Enough to find some shoes.
I can't even get, no, it's not. My shoes cost me way more than that. And that ain't even enough to get my nails done.
Well, I don't know what I do. I do something.
Get my nails done, man.
Nails done? You gonna do that anyway?
I'm going today.
You gonna get your nails done today?
Yep, here.
Alright, man. I got the J's, man. You know what I'm saying? I can't say that's a blessing. That's just something that I wanted, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add them to the collection. Got bad news, baby. What that's it?
Hit the middle.
You know, Big Daddy can't see, baby. Oh.
You can't see it.
Oh, I see it, baby.
You didn't get it.
You didn't get it, baby. Sorry. But I got them for you, though, baby, if you want.
You got it for me.
Yeah. Back to the work. Back to the work.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here too?
Can't do no more.
For real? I thought you were playing.
Nah, I'm tapped out.
I should have recorded that last set.
Yeah, I did a lot.
That was a good one. It's okay.
I think I had took a break, though.
Oh, yeah. You still look good doing it, though.
Appreciate you. 11 o'clock. Hey, my what's called held up. Yeah, 11 o'clock, gang. So it's 11, and we already took the car to the dealership. We can go. We already took the car to the dealership and worked out. It's 11 o'clock, bro. We got the rest of the day to do whatever we want to do.
Everything is pretty good. That's a very productive morning.
It is, man. Other than we still got to go pick the car up, but that's all gravy, babe.
I got my load.
Oh, all right.
Do you have a debit card?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this bag up here. It might be in this bag.
You might want to put that in the gym bag too. That way we can have some wipes next time. Because the gym stuff, I don't know what that is.
For sure. But yeah, man. Productive morning. That's what it's all about, bro. You know, that's what I aim to accomplish on this Saturday. Was just to have a productive morning, bro. Because I ain't gonna count, like, my days be productive anyway. But normally when I'm off of work, my mornings don't. I just sleep all morning. But hey, man. So we on our way to loads, man. We're gonna let y'all when we get the load. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. But yeah, boy, man, we chasing that 3,000, man, 3K. And we almost 3,400, so y'all get us there. Let's get it.